Hello everyone. Today our discussion chapter is very important and interesting one of engineering mathematics, Laplace transform. Before presenting what is Laplace transform and its application, it is required to give a brief introduction about some special functions related to Laplace transform. A transformation or simply a transform is a mathematical device which transforms or converts one function to another function. In our earlier classes, we know different transformations like derivative, integration. Derivative or differentiation is a transformation which transforms a differentiable function into another new function. For example, differentiation of sin x is cos x, differentiation of tan x is sec square x, and so on. Similarly, integration is a transformation which transforms the integrable function to another new function. For example, integration of x is x square by 2. Integration of e to the power x exponential function is same as also e to the power x. Similarly, we can also take other examples. Laplace transform, today discussion, our chapter has a wide application in the field of engineering programs, applied mathematics, applied physics, mechanics, mechanical systems, electrical circuit, and a very simple also in critical cases. But in our present discussion, this Laplace transform particularly used to solve a boundary value problem of a partial differential equation which converts it to ordinary differential equation and then to algebraic equations, and so that we get the required solution of a differential equation. Our discussion chapter Laplace transform, these are the outlines. First of all, what is the meaning of Laplace transform, then existence of Laplace transform, linearity property, and some basic formulas regarding of this Laplace transform. First of all, the meaning of Laplace transform definition. Let ft be any real valued function where t is positive, t is always positive, then the Laplace transform of this function ft is given by the definite integration L capital L stands for Laplace operator of the function ft, any function. The limit from 0 to infinity, lower limit 0, upper limit infinity, of e to the power minus st provided the integration by integral value exists, and where this s, small s, is a parameter which may be real number or a complex number. We use now this definition to derive some formulas and related questions, and clearly this Laplace transform of any function is a function of s, and how it is we can check in our some questions. Another thing, since Laplace transform of any function is a function of s, question is Laplace transform of any function is a function of t variable, it changes to other transformation, other function to s variable. We denote this one by f bar s, f above x small line, f bar s, that is written as a Laplace of ft is equal to f bar s, where L is called the Laplace operator. This is the definition of Laplace transform. Next one is when this Laplace transform exists, because not always all functions, integration, differentiation does not exist. Similarly, Laplace transform of not all function exist. Condition is this Laplace 0 to Laplace ft definition 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft exists when you take a lambda 0 to lambda, where lambda is very large number tends to infinity, and same thing minus st e to the power ft dt has a particular value, that means this is evaluated and this limit exists. This is the existence condition. Otherwise, if it does not exist, then this function ft is continuous. Continuous means it's a limiting value and functional value exists, and this limit t tends to infinity of the functional part e to the power minus at ft is finite. Finite means has a particular value. Then the Laplace transform of ft exists, and condition is here as is greater than a is a particular constant. This is the existence condition. We will discuss in our further classes. Next one is a linear property. Linearity property means that is the algebra over Laplace transform. Suppose a, b, c, these are any constants, and f, g, h are any functions of t, then like a derivative integration Laplace of a into function t plus b into function another function t plus c into another ht, it will be Laplace of different functions individually, and after taking the different Laplace of individual functions, a is a constant, it will be outside, comes outside L into Laplace of ft, similarly b into Laplace of second function gt plus c into Laplace of third function ht. And we will now discuss in our some questions. Basic formulas on Laplace transform. This is our last part for today outlines discussion point. Laplace of any constant. Constant means 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, maybe any fraction 1 by 2, 3 by 2, root 2 is also a constant. What is the constant value Laplace transform? I take an example here. Laplace of k into ft. K is a constant. When k multiplied with a constant, it will by definition instead of kft, ft जगह पर k into ft e to the power minus st and k dt, and k take outside, and it is nothing but a Laplace of the question, and after simplification e to the power minus st by minus s, because e to the power minus st integration is, for example, in our integration we know Laplace of or integration of e to the power minus 2x is nothing but e to the power minus 2x by minus 2. And then another constant integration getting constant c. Similarly, e to the power minus st integration is e to the power minus st by t multiplied with minus s. It will be divided by minus s, and by definite integration process the limits from 0 to infinity. This is notation within a square bracket. K is outside constant, 0 to infinity, and after simplification it will be k by s. And how k by s? If I put here infinity in the place of t, e to the power first minus infinity by minus s minus e to the power t जगह पर 0 by s, and after e to the power minus infinity is nothing but 0, so totally it will be 0, but e to the power minus 0 is 1, it is in below of denominator of this integral value minus s, so minus of 1 by s is equal to 1 by s, and k multiplied, answer is k by s. So clearly Laplace of any constant 1 is equal to k by s. Next one, in particular also Laplace of 1, suppose instead of if I put k as 1 by s, Laplace of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by s square, and Laplace of s, and so on. Next, Laplace of any algebraic function. This is a common one, and particularly Laplace of any algebraic function is t to the power n. After simplification, it is n factorial by x to the power n plus 1. So derivation not required. So where n stands for 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. All natural number including 0. For example, Laplace of t square is nothing but 2 factorial by s cube. 2 factorial means suppose 2 factorial is equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So 2 by s cube. Similarly, Laplace of t cube is equal to 3 factorial by Laplace of t cube, which is nothing but 3 factorial by x to the power 3 plus 1. 3 factorial is equal to 3, 2 into 1 is 6 by x to the power 4. So clearly see Laplace of the question one is t function of t, and answer is nothing but a function of s. So since here f, I just change this one by notation f bar, f dash. Next one, Laplace of exponential function. Exponential means e to the power x, like instead of x I write here e to the power at function of t, where a is a constant. After simplification we will get also 1 by s minus a, e to the power minus a t, 1 by s plus a. For example, e to the power minus t, 1 by s plus 1. Let us prove this formula, suppose in our next slide. Laplace of e to the power at, by definition, integration over 0 to infinity e to the power minus st, e to the power ft and dt. And since both are of same base, by algebra I take e to the power minus st plus at dt, and simplify it 0 to infinity, take suppose minus common 1 by e to the power s minus a t of dt. So what is integration of e to the power s minus a t, like e to the power 2x 3x integration e to the power minus of s minus a into t divided by t coefficient is nothing but minus of s minus a. So integration over within limit 0 to infinity. And in the before, as in the before case, first part will be e to the power minus infinity into something, means it is now 0 minus within bracket. If I put in place of t 0, it is e to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 1 by minus of s minus a. Clear? So which is nothing but after simplification 1 by s minus a. So Laplace of e to the power at is equal to 1 by s minus a. This is the derivation one. How we will get e to the power any exponential function Laplace. Similarly, Laplace of e to the power minus at, if I proceed in the same format, it will be 1 by s a plus a. And condition here is, remember, s is greater than a. Here condition is s is greater than minus a. So clearly this is the Laplace of exponential function. Now come to trigonometry one. In the previous slide, see Laplace of sin at is equal to, after simplification, a by a square plus a square. Using the same formula, Laplace of sin to t 2 by a square plus 4. Similarly, Laplace of cos at s by a square plus a square, and this is another example, Laplace of cos 3t s by a square plus 4. Last two functions are hyperbolic function, hyperbolic sin hyperbolic at. Sin hyperbolic at is nothing but like your sin at Laplace a by a square plus a square. Here just minus a by a square minus a square after simplification. And using this one, sin hyperbolic t integration t coefficient 1, a जगह पर 1, so 1 by a square minus 1. Similarly, Laplace of cos hyperbolic t, as in the before case, s by a square plus a square. Here s by just minus a square minus a square. One of the example, Laplace of cos hyperbolic t or 2t, s by a square minus 4. 4 means 2 square. Clear? So let us come to take some questions regarding these 7 formulas. First one, suppose what is Laplace of e to the power t? Suppose I take plus 1. What is the answer? Since it is addition of that means using linear property, I take a different Laplace, e to the power t Laplace plus a Laplace of constant 1. So there are 2 formula. One is exponential, other one is algebra or constant 1. Laplace of e to the power t, using Laplace of e to the power t formula, t coefficient here is 1 by s minus a means s minus 1, and 1 Laplace already you know 1 by s. So this much your answer. You can take a different of the functions LCM and proceed. This much your answer. So second one, suppose Laplace of e to the power t minus e to the power minus t. Suppose it's a whole square. Algebra using, but there is no formula of a whole square or sin square t or cos square t Laplace. How to solve it? Again take the help of like your a minus b whole square formula, e to the power t square e to the power 2t plus b square means e to the power minus 2t minus 2ab e to the power t into e to the power minus t. Clear? Using a minus c formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. And since this comes under again see linear property, plus minus there, so you take different Laplace. Laplace of first one e to the power 2t plus Laplace of e to the power minus 2t, but e to the power t e to the power minus 2t same base power added, so it is now nothing but e to the power 0 is equal to 1, so only 2. So Laplace of only 2 constant, and using again formula exponential, both are, last one is a constant function, so it is nothing but 1 by s minus 2, 1 by s plus 2, and 2 Laplace is a constant by s, 2 by s. So this is your final answer. Now check some other questions. Third one, what is the Laplace of suppose sin t minus cos t and it's a whole square? These are related question of Laplace using 7 basic formulas. Again same thing, using first formula sin square a minus b whole square, first sin square t plus cos square t minus 2ab means 2 sin t into cos t. Clear? But there is a identity formula, trigonometry identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So it is nothing but 1, but again it is a formula for trigonometry, 2 sin a into cos a, nothing but sin 2a, that is equal to sin 2t. And answer is very simple. Say take different Laplace, Laplace of 1 minus Laplace of sin 2t. Again it is now 1 by s, sin 2t Laplace, compare with the sin 80 formula, a by a square plus a square, which is nothing but 2 by a square plus 2 square is equal to 4. Clear? So this is a sin t minus cos t, how to find Laplace trick. Now see some other questions. Fourth one, Laplace of how to find suppose sin square t. Already know sin t Laplace, cos t Laplace. There is no formula. How to simplify the Laplace of sin square t? So sin square t from trigonometry you know sin square theta formula is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, and cos square theta formula also similarly 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 from trigonometry. So sin square t means 1 minus cos 2t divided by 2. Use this sin square theta formula. No other trick. You cannot write here sin t sin t. So as in the before case algebra linear property, half take outside, constant take outside, and which is nothing but Laplace of 1 minus Laplace of cos 2t, and half of within bracket Laplace of 1 is nothing but 1 by s, and cos 2t Laplace is s by s square plus 4. This much. You can further simplify taking LCM, but this much final. Fifth one, suppose Laplace of, similarly you can take a cos square t Laplace using cos square theta formula. Suppose the Laplace of cos square 3t. Now take the help of cos square theta. In place of a theta, here is the Rashi 3t. So what is now formula 1? Laplace of 1 plus cos 2 3 into 30 60 by 2. Clear? And taking the help of algebra or linear property, half take outside, 1 Laplace 1 by s, and cos t Laplace s square plus s by s square plus 6 square is 36. Clear? So this much your today discussion. We will discuss more about in the further classes. Thank you all.